G'day, my name's Jay Calloway and welcome to, let me just clean that little lens, welcome to our road adventure. This is Rob Longmore. Rob will be driving the electric car with his wife Sally.
Rob from CDV.
CDV?
Sally?
Sally's in the other car, she's sitting out the GoPros at the moment. The journey's going to be epic, it's going to be electric, it's going to be hybrid. The first part of the trip is to go up the steep incline from Penrith over the Blue Mountains. Electric car, good time to put it into a hybrid mode and charge the battery.
Yep.
What do you think about that, Rob?
Yeah, it's probably the best way to climb mountains with a hybrid. Put the engine on charge mode, so it's giving extra power, not just the battery, but also help get up the hills. Once you get to the top of the mountains, you'll probably drive an EV only mode across the top, and then regenerate a lot of energy coming back down the other side.
G'day, welcome to what you probably guessed by now is day one of our road trip from Sydney to Cameron's Corner. Day one, as the title suggests, is from Sydney to Narromine. Unfortunately, we left Sydney rather late in the afternoon, and so we were sort of in a bit of a hurry to get to Narromine. But we did stop at Bathurst to find the temporary Tesla supercharger. We got some pictures and video of that. Anyway, we also saw the Indian Pacific on its route from Sydney to Perth, so that was interesting and noisy. Anyway, on this trip we've decided to take our Mitsubishi Outlander plug-in hybrid, and also my good friend Mr. Jay Calloway is tagging along in our Hilux motorhome, as you've already seen. We decided to take our Mitsubishi Outlander out here, the plug-in hybrid, because numerous people have told me over the last few months that a plug-in hybrid or even a normal heavy hybrid is no good in the Australian outback. So we decided to prove them wrong, and also just to see how well the plug-in hybrid does go in the outback. Now we are going to Cameron's Corner, sort of the closest you can ever get to the proper Australian outback, this close to Sydney, hence the 6-day trip. Our first fuel stop on this trip was at Wellington. So from Sydney to Wellington, we managed this in 49% EV driving using an average fuel burn of 5.8 litres per 100k. So it was actually pretty good. You get lots of regen down the back of the mountains, and also heading down the western slopes. It's generally all pretty much downhill. Obviously it's hilly, but the downhill sections obviously are more than the uphill sections. So the fuel economy this section of the trip actually wasn't too bad, 5.8 and 49% EV driving. Pretty happy with that. Anyway, that's it for day one, Sydney to Narromine. Unfortunately, we've been a bit slack, we didn't actually film much, so this is pretty much what it is. Anyway, tomorrow's the big day, probably about 8 or 9 hours driving from Narromine to White Cliffs. Anyway, the scenery out there really changes and the terrain out there really does get flat. Anyway, thank you for watching and hopefully stick around for day 2. Bye.
Sydney and New South Wales.
And Sydney, not good. New South Wales, even worse. Sort of glad we got Tesla actually making an effort in charging infrastructure.